Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will show you how to preview your Markdown files with an all-in-one Markdown editor in VS Code. So you no longer need to leave VS Code while you are working with Markdown files. You will see a live preview using this extension that I will show you in this video. On the right hand side, as you write your Markdown files, you will see on the right hand side a short little preview, and here if you make any sort of changes it will reflect right here. As you just type, you will see on the right hand side the preview will change instantly with live preview. You can see as I'm just changing the Markdown file, it is reflecting in the right, so it is highlighted everything. You can just see. So the extension name is Markdown all-in-one extension. So if you go to the extensions tab, this is actually the extension Markdown all-in-one. So if you just type here Markdown in the search bar, so Markdown all-in-one, you just need to write. So this is actually the extension Markdown all-in-one. Let me uninstall it and install it once again. So it will look something like this. So it has got almost 10 million downloads, 9.6 to be precise, 9.6 million downloads, and the rating is also very nice. So click on the install button to actually install this extension. So now this extension is globally installed, activated. So now to work with it, just create a sample Markdown file, paste your Markdown code. So I have this Markdown code available. So now to see the live preview, you will see this option appearing, which is this second option, open preview to the site. Either you can click this option, but for some reason if this option is not appearing, there is a shortcut that you can write. Just right click and select this option, which is, you will see this option in this menu, which is, if this menu is not appearing, then what you can do, you can actually hit a shortcut key on the keyboard, Control Shift P, and just type Markdown, and you will see this open preview to the site. The shortcut, you can see Control plus KV. This is a shortcut key if you want to see the live preview. So if I press Control KV, you can just search here Markdown open preview to the site. You will see the preview, you will see. So you will see this menu. The second option you want to select, open preview to the side, you will see this option, just click it, and now if you see, this is actually the preview which is there. And here if you make any sort of changes, you will actually see the changes will take place with live preview. As you're just making the changes, everything is reflected right here. So you can work with Markdown files very easily inside VS Code with an all-in-one editor of Markdown. So you can see that. So let me repeat this. If you want to close this, you can put this. So if I want to highlight the PHP code right here, so I will write PHP. So you can see that now we are highlighting the PHP code. So in this way, you can work with Markdown files in VS Code with the live preview. This is on all-in-one editor, so it's widely used extension. That is why I wanted to make this video, so that you can use this extension if you are not using it, to preview your Markdown files right in the VS Code, to edit the Markdown files. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel as well, and do check out my Free Media Tools website, which contains free thousands of free tools related to audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.